For the past 2 days or so, former Nigerian Vice President Atiku Abubakar has been in Rivers State. His visit first came to light when pictures of his meeting with Governor Nyesom Wike flooded the social media space, giving room for all kinds of speculations. But the former vice president on Thursday decided to brief journalists on the purpose of his visit.
I came here to consult with the governor, on party affairs and how we can ensure there is unity and stability of our party so that we can take over government in 2023. I believe Nigerians can't wait for 2023 to come so that PDP will return.
Speaking on a number of issues, Atiku Abubakar voiced his concern at the growing economic and security challenges in the country.
I have never seen it this bad. I am 70 plus. I have never seen it this bad in terms of security challenges, in terms of economy, in terms of unemployment. I have never seen it so bad. This is the worst.
We, however, could not help but take him up on the possible solutions he has for the country.
Why can't you give us time? We will come up, with our policies which we will present to Nigerians when the time comes. We will do that. You know that we can. We have done that before as PDP. We recorded the highest growth in this country, the best foreign reserves. We reduce unemployment. You know that we can do it.
The former vice president also used his visit to applaud the good works of the Rivers State governor.
I think he is topmost governor we have in the party. There is no doubt about that in terms of projects, in terms of youth unemployment, in terms of security. Yes, we have security challenges all over the country, but in Rivers it's not as bad in other states. So I think we commend him for his leadership. Thank you very much.
And as he departs Rivers State, Atiku Abubakar wants members of the PDP family to unite and work towards rescuing Nigeria from the clutches of the APC and from sinking into the dark pit of disaster.